Hello and welcome to Azurewala YouTube channel. We are in Azure Solutions Architect Expert series. Today we are going to discuss question number 21. You plan to deploy an application named application 1 that will run on 5 virtual machines. Additional virtual machines will be deployed later to run application 1. So we will start with one virtual machine basically. You need to recommend a solution to meet the following requirements for the virtual machines that will run application 1. So first requirement is that ensure that the virtual machines can authenticate to Azure Active Directory to gain access to an Azure Key Vault, Azure Logic App instance, and Azure SQL database. So authentication should happen through the Active Directory, or nowadays we can call it Entra ID. Second requirement, avoid assigning new roles and permissions for Azure services when you deploy additional virtual machines. So when we have new virtual machines, we should not be assigning the permissions to each virtual machine. It should be automated. Third requirement, avoid storing secrets and certificates on virtual machines. We should be able to access the secret from the key vault, and we should not be storing the secrets on the virtual machine. And the last one is minimize administrative efforts for managing identities. So question is, which type of identity or managed identity you should include in the recommendation? So as we know, we have two types of managed identities. First is system assigned managed identity. Second is user assigned one. So the difference is that system assigned managed identity can be associated with each virtual machine. So let's say virtual machine 1 will have a system assigned one identity, virtual machine 2 will have a different one. It cannot be the same. But user managed identity can be associated with multiple virtual machines. So virtual machine 1, 2, 3, whatever number can have the same user assigned managed identity, and that user assigned managed identity we can provide access to our key vault. So when we have additional virtual machine like virtual machine 3, it will have that managed identity assigned, so role to the key vault is automatically being assigned. So system assigned managed identity, since it works with the one virtual machine, it is not correct answer. A service principal can be associated with the applications, custom or inbuilt applications. Therefore, we will not be using service principals here. And user assigned managed identity can be associated with multiple virtual machines where we will not require any additional administrative efforts, and we will not require to store the secrets on the virtual machine, and we will not require to assign any roles later on to any virtual machine. And the same user assigned managed identity can access the key vault, logic app, and SQL database. Therefore option D, user assigned managed identity, is the correct answer. I hope this video was informative for you. Please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, press the bell notification icon. Thank you for watching this video. See you in next video.